Hi everyone, today I have tried carom seeds rasam. Carom seeds are also called as omam or ajwain. It is used to treat cold and cough, a remedy for asthma, improves digestion and metabolism, which in turn helps to lose belly fat. Let's get started. Here I am having 2 cups of water. To that I am adding 1 large tomato diced and tamarind, half a size of a lemon. Soaking it for 15 minutes. Here there's a half a tablespoon of coriander seeds, half a tablespoon of ajwain, half a tablespoon of cumin seeds and half a tablespoon of pepper. Dry roast all the masalas together. Dry roasting enhances the taste of the recipe. Once it is dry roasted, I will allow it to cool and powder it. In a cooking pot, add 2 tablespoons of oil, mustard, de-seeded 3 chilies, 4 crushed garlic, curry leaves and the grinded masala. To that I am adding the water which we have soaked. Only the water. So later squeeze the tamarind and the tomatoes and add everything to that. Add 1/4 tablespoon of turmeric powder, salt as per the taste, and I'll allow it to boil. When it is boiling, add coriander for garnishing. As soon as it starts boiling, switch off the gas and make sure it will not boil for a long time. You can either serve it with hot rice or you can drink it as a soup. Please do try at home and let me know your comments below.